In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable echo cancellation in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to improve the audio quality of your meetings or simply want to ensure clear communication during calls, having echo cancellation can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. If you're using a Windows machine, you can launch Teams from the Start menu. For Mac users, it's just as simple. Head over to the Applications folder, find Teams, and click to open it. Once you have Microsoft Teams up and running, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's talk about configuring the noise suppression settings. Although Microsoft Teams doesn't specifically label this feature as echo cancellation, it's an integral part of the noise suppression functionalities available within the app. When properly configured, these settings help to minimize echo during your calls, enhancing the overall audio experience. To access these settings, you'll need to locate the noise suppression option within the app. Typically, this can be found in the Settings menu under the Audio Settings section. Once there, look for the specific toggle or option that allows you to turn noise suppression on. This enables the feature, helping to cancel out any potential echo during your meetings. However, there's another handy tip that can further improve your audio quality. While noise suppression options help reduce echo to some extent, using a headset or headphones can provide an even clearer sound experience. By wearing a headset, you effectively lower the chance of your microphone picking up sound from your speakers, which is often a common cause of echo during calls. Some headsets come with built-in noise-canceling microphones, adding an extra layer of clarity. So, if you have a pair available, consider using them during your Teams calls for the best audio results. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can reduce or even eliminate echo from your Microsoft Teams meetings, ensuring that every word spoken is heard as clearly as intended. Remember, communication is key, and having a clear audio experience can make all the difference in collaborating efficiently with your colleagues or clients. With noise suppression activated and possibly a trusty headset by your side, your Microsoft Teams experience should be noticeably improved. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and successful meetings with Teams.